guys, welcome to my channel. As you can see from today's title, I'm doing a Sephora haul slash try on haul. So I'm going to show y'all my products and I'm also going to try them on too. As you can see, I have a fresh face. I'm ready to go. So let's get into it. The first thing I'm going to do is my brows, and for that I'm going to go on with the Sephora retractable pencil. And the shade that I have in this is soft charcoal. So this is a soft charcoal. See how pointy the tip is? Okay, so I'm just gonna do my eyebrows real quick. A lot of people use brow gel. I have before. I'm not gonna be using any today though. It's not really like a makeup video. This is just basically like I want to show y'all the products, how they look real quick. So you see how beautifully it matches with my brows? Then I'm gonna use the bag. So for my next product, I'm going to be using the Haus Labs by Lady Gaga. And the shade I'm using is called 34 Medium Golden, I'm sorry. This is so cute. I've seen really good reviews on this product, but when I can tell you, like when I went to Sephora to buy it, I was in there just trying on shades. They have so many shades of concealer. Look at, oh my bad, let me look at this, y'all. So I fell in love with this. I was gonna get a different concealer, but I went and something told me to just try on this, and I did, and I'm glad I did. So I'm gonna use this to go in with my eyebrows real quick. So yeah, essentially I just took some. I'm gonna use my brush to go underneath my eyebrows really, really fast. Look how it just blends in with my skin automatically. Like, I love this. And I'm not even putting a lot, and my brows look so much better already. Oh my gosh, it really transformed my brows already. Okay, so the next product that I have is the Estee Lauder Double Wear. The reason why it looks like this is because this is sold at Sephora, but I did not get this from Sephora. I got this on sale for like, I don't know, it was a crazy cheap price because I was at this store and they were going out of business and they had these on sale. But you can still get this double wear at Sephora. And of course, all the products that I'm mentioning, like I'm gonna have them on the side so you guys can see if you guys wanna get them yourself. This is called Toasty Toast. That's a cute little name. It's 4W2. This is a little light for me, so I will be mixing it with my e.l.f. foundation, Flawless Foundation. I'm not gonna show the e.l.f. because they don't sell e.l.f. at Sephora. So, and this is a Sephora haul. We want to be politically correct, so yeah, I'm gonna mix it just to let you know, but I'm gonna put that on real quick. So, side note, I love the way this bottle is shaped. It's also matte, kind of like the Haus Labs like matte material. I just really love the material. However, one thing I do not like is when you open this is how it looks. It doesn't come with a spray bottle or a stick or anything, so you have to use your own to apply your foundation, which I have so much makeup, it's not really a problem for me because I have things I can apply my makeup with. But just FYI, if you're planning on getting this, just know you do need something to apply your foundation with. Typically, like, I don't wear makeup. I am going to work today. I don't wear makeup at work just because I'm there for 12 hours. I'm there for so long and I'm doing so much stuff. I don't typically like to wear it, but I decided to do this video today, and I'm like, you know what, it doesn't hurt, why not? Plus, I haven't done a video in so long, and I have made lots of Sephora runs, so I'm like, okay, why not? But do you see how this just melts like into my skin? And this is a foundation on one of the more expensive sides, but I don't know, I feel like it's definitely worth it, just based off of how long it lasts. It lasts a very long time, this foundation. And also just the material. Sometimes when you put on foundation, it's a little itchy on your skin. I have a combination of dry and oily, and this is perfect for it. But yeah, as I'm applying it, like, it doesn't feel like, it feels like I have nothing on. It's not too thick. Some foundations are so thick and it makes your skin itchy, you know? Also too, as you guys can see, I have really bad bags underneath my eyes, and this foundation, this is one coat, by the way. Look how it's doing such a good job of covering up my bags underneath my eyes, because I definitely have bad bags underneath my eyes. So I did apply my foundation, double long wear, love it. Y'all really didn't get to see, like, y'all saw me do my eyebrows with the Haus Labs, but now I'm gonna put on some concealer so we can really see how it looks on my face. So I'm excited about that. This is probably my favorite product that I got from Sephora. So let's see. It even comes on the skin so nice. I'm not gonna overdo it with the makeup. Like I told y'all, I'm going to work, so I don't want to be, you know, have a caked up face. But okay, let's blend that. And just like that, my bags are all gone. And the way my face is pretty much one color now is amazing. So the next product I have is Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez. I did get the mini one. It's liquid dewy brush. I got the little one because I don't really know how it's gonna look on me. I do have a palette that I use for powder for brush, so we'll see how it is. This will be my first time using liquid blush, so let's see. I must admit though, this is so freaking adorable. Look how cute this is. So okay, let's see. It's not extra liquidy like I thought it would be. So let's blend this in. It's pretty. It looks nice and natural. I definitely could have put a little bit more. I could have added more, but this is beautiful, especially for me to be a brown skinned woman. And this is bright pink, bright pink. Like, this is a nice finish, dewy finish. And I really like this. Okay, now I'm confident I can get the big one and I can explore other ones, but I love this. This is cute. Okay, so for lips, I know us girls are big on our lip combos. I did get a Makeup Forever brush. brush, oh my god, I got a Makeup Forever lip liner pencil. This is like $25. I bought, so a long time ago when I went to Sephora, one of the girls had me buy this that works there, and I was like, am I really about to pay this for a pencil? And it was the best pencil ever. So ever since then, like, I just spend the money because it's very worth it. And this is called Limitless Brown. See how sharp it is, and we're just gonna go in and line my lips. Okay, so I did line my lips, and I have 2 different lip glosses to try. I have Summer Fridays Brown Sugar, and then I have Huda Beauty Fox Filler Icy Nude. Y'all, the Fox Filler line is one of my favorite lip gloss lines. I've had 2 so far, and I use them. Look how pretty this is though, y'all. It's brown, but it's like glittery. And then Summer Fridays. Okay, so let's do Summer Fridays first. Before I even put it on, like, let me show y'all how much I love Summer Fridays real quick. So obviously this is not from today. Like, all these trips are not from today, but look at how many Summer's Fridays lip glosses I have. And I'm gonna probably buy another one this week. I'm not even gonna lie to you, but this isn't all from one trip. The only one I got from the last trip was this one, but this is just all the other ones that I do have. So crazy, right? Super duper crazy. Summer Fridays, hey y'all, love y'all. If y'all watching this, if y'all want to send me some more, let me know. But okay, back to the video. So we're gonna go in with the brown sugar. You see how pretty that is? So beautiful. This is probably one of my favorite Summer Friday shades. Actually, I can't lie. This one right here, Pink Guava, I love it. But this might be one of my favorite ones too. You can see I've been using this a lot. Look, you see it's a little squeezed down. But this is pretty nice and natural. Okay, so now let's go in with the Huda Beauty Fox Filler, y'all. This has glitter in it, and it's brown, so let's see what it looks like. Real quick, how do you guys feel about Olaplex? Because I have been seeing them everywhere. I did get these free samples. I know they have Olaplex at Ulta and Sephora, but this is shampoo and conditioner. Very cutesy. I want the oil. I don't have the oil, but I'm thinking about buying the oil, but I think I'm gonna try out the shampoo and conditioner first. But I have been seeing a lot of girls use it. I know it's on the pricey side, but I've heard nothing but good things about it. So this is a part of my little haul, Olaplex. Let me know down below what you guys think about the Olaplex. Okay. Do y'all see that? You see how my lips are glistening? I love this. It's so cute. And obviously, I would add something else if I was doing like a lip combo, like a pink or something like that. But this isn't one of those videos. I'm just showing y'all my Sephora haul. Thank y'all for watching my video. I love y'all. That's it for my Sephora haul. So hopefully I'll do another one with more products. But I feel like that was pretty good. That was pretty good, you know. I didn't overdo it this time in Sephora like I normally do. So yeah, I'm gonna link the products below in case any of y'all want to try them or get them for yourselves. And I will see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you love me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'll see y'all later.